Hello students, today we are starting our quiz on chemistry chapters. We will cover two chapters in this session. First is chemical reactions and equations and second is acid, bases and salts. So I hope you all are ready for this session. Let me introduce you our participants. Lakshmi Pathak, Daksh Sharma, Kajal Kumari, Kishan, Nitika, Shivani Yadav, Mukul, Mohit Verma, Pavan, Komal Kumari, Varshika, Sakshan and Aditya. Okay, so we will start with Lakshmi. I
Yes,
think you
ma'am.
already know the rules of quiz that I will ask you a question. Per student, there will be one question. You have to answer the question in 25 to 30 seconds. And if you don't know the answer, the question will be passed. And bonus point will be added to that student's points. Okay. So we will start with Lakshmi Pathak. Lakshmi, are you ready for your question? Okay, Lakshmi. So your question is, can you tell me how many types of chemical reactions do we have? Only name of those chemical reactions. I only want names of chemical reactions.
Yes, ma'am. Decomposition reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reaction, composition reaction, combination reaction.
One reaction is missing.
एक मिनट displacement, double displacement, decomposition, combination, redox, neutralization.
Okay, fine. So 1 point goes to Lakshmi Patil. Okay. After Lakshmi, we have Daksh Sharma with us. Daksh, are you ready for your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Daksh. So, beta, your question is, can you give me the difference between displacement and double displacement reaction?
Yes, ma'am. In displacement displacement reaction in which more reactive element displace the less reactive element, and display displacement may iron charge of both. Double displacement reaction, ion double displacements are ion intercharge.
The answer is not clear enough.
And
Do you want to try once more?
डिस्प्लेसमेंट तो हो गया, डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट ही तो कह रहा है.
Okay, I can give you half points for this answer. Fine.
मैं
So,
बता
yes,
देता हूँ.
Lakshay, you have raised your hand. Yes, Lakshay.
Ma'am, in displacement reaction, the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its solution, and in double displacement reaction, the two metals or the elements interchange their position from their solutions.
Very nicely explained. So bonus point for this question goes to Lakshay. Okay, so Lakshay got this bonus point. Okay, after that we have Kajal Kumari with us. Kajal, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So can you explain the difference between combination and decomposition reaction?
Combination reaction is that reaction in which more than one reactants combine to form a single product, and in decomposition reactions, there is only one reactant which decomposes to form two or more products.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so 1 point for this question goes to Kajal. Very good. Okay. After Kajal, we have Nitika with us. Nitika, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So, Nitika, your question is, can you explain me all the three types of decomposition reaction? And your time starts now.
Thermal decomposition reaction.
Very nice.
Ma'am, ma'am, photolytic decomposition reaction
Okay.
or electrolysis decomposition reaction.
It is electrolytic decomposition reaction, or you can just say electrolysis. Okay, Nitika, we have Shivani Yadav with us. Shivani, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivani. So, beta, your question is, what do you mean by redox reaction? Can you explain me the meaning of word redox? And your time starts now.
Ma'am, redox reaction are characterized by actual or formal transfer of electron between chemical spaces. Most of the spaces are reducing agent, and most of the uh, oxidizing agent.
Okay, fine. Shivani has got 1 point for this answer. Okay. After Shivani, we have Mukul with us. Mukul, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So, Mukul, your question is, please explain what is corrosion and how can we prevent corrosion? And your time starts now.
Uh, Corrosion is that uh, which rust metals slowly
You have
to
58
prevent the
seconds left only.
to prevent the corrosion. We paint the metals.
Okay, you have not explained the answer very clearly. You didn't have explained the reasons of corrosion, so I can give you half points for this answer only. Okay.
Uh, the metal is rust through the atmospheric gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, uh, carbon dioxide, uh, and we prevent the metal through rusting by painting and greasing and oiling.
Okay, fine. You have completed the answer. I can give you points for this bonus question. And are you ready for your own question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your own question. Okay. So, Kishan, beta, your question is, can you give me two daily life example of oxidation or reduction reaction? The time is running.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, you want to answer?
मैम रिडॉक्स
Yes.
रिएक्शन का एग्जांपल है अ फ्यू एग्जांपल्स हैं मैम फोटोसिंथेसिस
Okay.
रेस्पिरेशन
Respiration is an oxidation reaction. वो oxidation का ही था. Okay, I can give you half points for this. Okay, next we have Nitika. Nitika, you want to answer?
यस मैम
Yes, beta.
रेस्पिरेशन ऑफ फूड
Very nice.
एंड मैम रेस्पिरेशन
Okay. Shivani has already said that.
ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ फूड एंड मैम रस्ट
Yes.
रस्ट
Okay. Okay. So I can give half points to you also for this answer. Okay. After Mukul, we have Mohit Verma with us. Mohit Verma, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Mohit, can you explain me what are indicators? And why do we need to study about indicators and what do indicators do for us?
Indicator is a substance that used to indicate the the matter is basic or acidic. It helps us to determine the nature of element substances or solutions. And mm, and we have to study about it to get the to get the knowledge of acidic and basic natures of matter.
Very nice. So Mohit has answered the question correctly and he has scored 1 point in this answer. Very nice. Okay, after Mohit we have Pawan with us. Pawan, are you ready for your question, beta? Pawan. Pawan, are you ready? Okay, Pawan is not with us. Next we have Komal Kumari with us. Komal, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Komal. So, beta, your question is three properties of metals. Any three physical properties of metals?
Metal are solid at room temperature. Metals are ductile and sonorous.
Okay, very nice. Okay. So 1 point goes to Komal Kumari for this answer. Next is Saksham. Saksham, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So Saksham, your question is what is brine solution? We study about salts and acid bases in salts. What do you mean by brine? Okay.
No, ma'am, नहीं आता.
Brine solution is a high concentration of solutions of salt, NaCl in water.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so Daksh has given the answer and he has scored bonus points. Okay, next, lastly, we have Aditya with us. Aditya, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya. Okay. So, Aditya, can you tell me the chemical formula of washing soda? Aditya, can you tell me the formula of washing soda? Yes, Aditya. Your time is running. Do you know the answer?
Ma'am, Na2,
Yes.
CO3.
You need to CO3. I can give you half points for this. Yes, Saksham.
Na2CO3.10H2O.
Very nice. So bonus point of this answer goes to Lakshay. Okay. So at the end, I am announcing you the results of the quiz, and we have score like this: Lakshay 2, Daksh 1, Kajal 1, Kishan 0.5, Nitai 5, Mohit 1, Komal Kumari 1, Aditya 0.5. Okay, so we have a clear winner with us, Lakshay Pathak. Okay, Lakshay, congratulations, beta. So I hope you enjoyed your quiz today. Okay, then next we will meet for
Yes,
biology quiz. Okay.